This is the Protocol Slipstream Wi-Fi drone with live streaming camera. Download on the App Store or the Google Play Store. Live streaming video camera. And a few of the options here. Wi-Fi capability, live streaming video, aerial photos, auto launch hover land, 2 selectable speeds, and control included. Live streaming video capability, camera resolution 480p, that's it. Simultaneous video and photo, also controlled by free smartphone app, draw your own path flight, app is VR capable. Let's open her up. Now, I picked this sucker up from Best Buy for $80. It was $79.99, and it was the only one they had on shelf. So I said, why the hell not? Okay, come on after, buddy. Come on. Oh, look at her. Oh, we don't need that. Look at that. Gorgeous. Down here we have, do not return drone to store. If you have any questions or issues with your drone, we will help you. ProtocolINY.com contact. Interesting. So we got our booklets and all the fun stuff. Alright, looks like we have the phone mount, some additional propellers, battery charger. Yep, extra propellers, phone mount, propellers, battery charger, more propellers. Cool. Okay, now let's pull out the remote. Caution, failure to follow instructions could result in harm to people and or property. Don't you just love warning signs? Here we go. Here it is, transmitter, protocol, New York, Slipstream, Wi-Fi. No batteries, but we got some cool functions over here. We have speed, light, 360 flip, and takeoff landing. Well, alright. I mean, 360 flip. Why can't DJIs do that? Pisses me off. Alright guys, here it is. Remote phone mount has been attached. Disregard my cracked up screen. Oh, it's bad. It works. Holds an S8 Plus. Remote does not feel cheap whatsoever. Now you're probably wondering, how do you adjust the trim? Easy. Glad you asked that. Push this down, and you go up or down to control forward or backwards on the drone. Same applies. Push this down, go left or right to control left or right, and then push this one down and go right or left to control the spinning movement. And that's it. I already downloaded the app too. It is Slipstream Wi-Fi by Protocol. It looks like it's set up the same way as all the other apps that I've used before. So, you know, nothing special there, but as of now, I do like the feel of the remote. Doesn't feel cheap whatsoever, and it shouldn't for $80. So, we got that out. Let's pop this guy out. Look at that. Slipstream Wi-Fi, Protocol New York on the propellers. Now, I haven't really heard of this company, but I assume they're American-based, hence the whole Protocol in New York on the propellers. You got your propeller guard, you got the body, you got the props, compartment for the battery plug, and that's about it. Look at that. Got your little 480p camera up there. Alright, I think we should go ahead and pop her outside and just do a little maiden flight and just test it out. That's an S8 Plus, by the way, so this thing can go pretty high up. It goes up there. Then we have the drone itself. So most of the features are fairly generic compared to your Chinese branded drones out there. One thing that did stick out to me was this thing has its own draw your own flight path, which I don't know about that. It seems pretty interesting, but I don't know if I'm going to try that. But other than that, everything else is pretty much the same. It's got an app. You get to fly through the app. You can take pictures, record, all that good stuff. So nothing really too crazy. It looks like it's just an overpriced Chinese drone to me, but it looks pretty damn cool. Alright guys, we got the battery charged up. The lights on this thing look pretty cool. Right there, as I mentioned, battery pack going in that little slot. Plug her in right there. Blue lights forward, red lights back. Nice little indication. And we have successfully, look at that, we have successfully hooked up the app to the Wi-Fi from this thing. And it's pretty cool. The interface is not as complicated as the fake Maverick that I had, but still interesting. We got a little signal status thing up there, little picture button. Not quite sure what those are. 1, 2, and looks like camera batteries look less than half. So yes, I didn't charge the whole battery. I'm too damn anxious. All right, peeps, let's start her up. Take off function. Oh my gosh, look at that guy. Okay, no, come back this way. Come back this way. It is actually pretty doggone smooth. I'm gonna go ahead and try to record right now. Where's that speed? Oh gosh. Oh, saved it. Come on, buddy. This guy definitely needs to be trimmed ASAP. All right, step right over here. All right, oh gosh. She's spinning too much on me. Come on, buddy. Not bad, come on, buddy. Still trying to trim it up. Man, this thing does not want to stay in one location. I'm gonna spend a whole battery just trying to trim this sucker up. Oh, don't want to crash on the maiden flight. We'll go ahead and do the landing right on. We'll go ahead and, there you go, LEDs. Turn them on, turn them off. We'll keep them off for now. Let's go ahead and turn the app back on. Slipstream now should hook right up. There you go. We'll turn the LEDs on. And we don't have much battery, so takeoff function. Nice. Get some air. Okay, you don't want to do any sudden action. We just got this drone, so we don't want to go too much out of our comfort zone. Oh, what was that all about? That was not what I wanted it to do. Looks like we lost a little bit of signal on that one. Battery fully charged. There we go. LEDs indicate this baby is on. We'll go ahead and sync our remote control. Throttle up, throttle down, throttle up. There we go. She is synced. LEDs are solid. Go ahead and recalibrate the sensor. There you go. Okay. Now let me go ahead and make sure we are on the Wi-Fi. We should have visual. Okay, there we go. See what I'm saying, guys? Now look at the lanyard. It looks like, from the camera point of view, it looks like this guy is right here, but he's pretty far back and the lanyard's all the way over there, so I don't know what it is. Camera's kind of annoying on that one, so let's go ahead and test it out. We'll do the auto takeoff. Now, we'll just quickly look at that real quick. So there we have it. And it's doing it now. It banks very nicely to the left, but if we switch directions and we go to the right, not bad. Go ahead and send it out. We'll do the auto takeoff. Look at this sharp turn to the left. And now let's see that sharp turn to the right. The two speeds are pretty cool. We're throttling. This thing is lacking power. Pretty sharp. And I'm hitting the throttle right now, guys. I think this thing lacks in power here. Let's see them flips. Alright, throttle. Now we're struggling. Where's the flip button? Nice. Uh-oh. Oh, let's get power. Power. This thing can only do like one flip, and then after that your battery's gone. Not bad. Look, see? Oh man. Look how slow it is going to the left. I'm sorry, to the right. It's quick to the left. Slow to the right. Quick to the left. Not sure why that affects the battery so much. Oh, throttle. It's not bad. Maybe a good word of advice would be to pick up some extra batteries. Oh, and that's it. Bear in mind, battery is probably 3/4 done. Throttle. Definitely gone, so let's go ahead and hit him up. Ooh. Oh. No throttle. We are officially out of throttle. Go up. Lift. Come back here, I don't want to go back downstairs. Come to Papa. Turn this way, turn around, you piece of crap. Well guys, overall, it's not bad. Only real issue is just the camera. It's very difficult to fly based off of that. Now I've flown Chinese drones strictly off of that and gone all the way downstairs while staying in one room. This one, very difficult. The camera zoom is just really annoying, and it's hard to tell the actual positioning of these things. So that's probably my big drawback on this one. My last big drawback is that battery performance heavily messes up the flying experience on this guy. It says 5 minutes is your flight time, but maybe after 2 minutes the battery is just messing with flight that you can't really do much. Throttle is weak, turning the direction on this guy is weak. The only thing good is just the bank angles, those are nice, but I mean, pick yourself up a couple extra batteries. Now I know you guys are going to say, it's a cheap drone, you shouldn't expect much out of it to begin with. First off, $80 is not cheap. And second of all, I've flown cheaper drones that have performed way better than this guy. Chinese drones, the Elf 2, one of my top favorite drones. That one I could fly from one room off of the camera and fly that thing all the way to my basement without moving from my chair here. This guy is just too, it's just, camera's not there, guys. And lastly, the depleting battery just heavily restricts this plane from doing its normal performance. Might want to consider picking up more batteries, or maybe picking up a better drone.